Hey everyone, what's up? Scott, Edge of 3D, and we're here in Shenzhen, China. Shenzhen. I'll get the pronunciation right. After 10 days here, hopefully I'll get it right. Still haven't learned how to order food, so I have no idea what I'm eating. The ladies from Creality order our food for us, but just going to go through here a little bit and put on a little background music and show you some pictures that I got to take today. A little bit of the inside of Creality. I'm actually here as the videographer for Sam Prentice, the real Sam Prentice. I'll put a link to his channel in the description down below. Encourage you to check it out. But getting to do some of my own content as well while I'm here, so it's a bonus trip for me, and happy to bring you guys along for the ride. Like I say, sit back, relax, watch some of the video, and just scroll through some pictures and some little short videos of some stuff that I took today for me personally. Got a lot of pictures of a lot of things that I can't show and I can't talk about, but in due time, everybody will get to know about these things that we're getting to see now. So stick around, stay tuned, hit that thumbs up button if you like this, hit the subscribe if you want to see more of these videos. And let's jump into some slideshow and see what I got to see today. So catch you when we're done. So that was a day at Creality in Shenzhen, China. It is now, hold on here, 10:23 p.m. here. We actually started at 8 a.m. this morning. We just got back to the hotel room, so a little over a 14-hour day, and I'm tired. It's been an awesome day. I got many more days of this to come. 3 more days at Creality, then I'm going to fly to Taiwan for the weekend, and I will be back on Sunday afternoon. Back to filming at Creality for a couple of days, and then attending Formnext Shenzhen here next week, and have a couple of days there where we're going to bounce around and see some companies like Bamboo and Anycubic. Going to take a day to go to the world's largest electronics market. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. As always, I appreciate each and every one of you. Hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next video. Peace out.